Model, 68-plate Ford Transit Custom 300 L2 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 105ps high roof van spares OR repair Euro 6 ULEZ, low mileage. Long MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 79,606. MOT, 21 September 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Well worth getting this back on the road, it's a beauty. Smiling face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,195. Click the link in the description